What is good, YouTube? We are back. We got another Fullsend Drop in-house, and we're going to do an unboxing review for you. Let us know down in the comments if you copped anything from this drop and anything interesting. I'll show you what I got right now. I was able to get a mini football. I'm a big football guy, so I thought this was jokes to add into the order, so I didn't just buy one thing. This was about like 10 bucks. You know, a big football guy, Andre. You can tell this is a good football, right?
Oh yeah, it's a good football.
Like you can play it. I think the ultimate test here, because you know, like a lot of people are saying, like, how do you review a football? Well, we review it based on how it's thrown. So Andre, what do you think about this right now?
I think it's beautiful.
Okay, a little hit the wall. Real quick. It's all good. It's all good. You think it's good? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it's great.
Yeah, I think like this is definitely worth the money, eh?
Oh
sure,
yeah.
Eh? Yeah, I could see us throwing this around on Miami Beach. You know what I mean? Like
for sure.
Anything, but yeah, this is pretty joke. So if you order one of these, yeah, it's a mini football. So I don't know what else to say. It doesn't come pumped, by the way, so you gotta just pump it up with a hand pump or a pressurizer, either or, and you got this. So yeah. Go full send, baby. Let's go. That's it. Don't hit the camera. And the next one, a little bit of unboxing. So I've always wanted to get Steve Will Do It. You know Steve Will Do It. You know what Steve Will Do It is? Or?
No idea.
Remember that guy drinks way too much, like you know, like, like shotguns and shit. Well, he's had like his boot thing for a while. And when I first started buying Fullsend, I think it was like April 2020. The boot there was pretty cool. I didn't buy it, but it was like the Popeyes logo on there. And there's been such shitty logos on these things they made lately, which I didn't like. But this one, I was like, this is finally the one I gotta get. Retails about 40 bucks, I think. And this is like a Wheel of Fortune design, so I thought it was pretty fucking hilarious. So I thought I'd get this. Andre, this is gonna be your first reaction to seeing how this looks, because this is a way to drink, just so you know. So you'll see. So yeah, it just comes in the Steve Will Do It Steve's boot box. It's pretty much all it has. It's just the logo on the front and the logo on the back. Yeah, so pretty much just open up the box. So there's a full weight on box. There's probably nothing in here, honestly. Interesting. Oh, they protected it. That's so nice of you guys. Wow, that's really nice. Yeah, and it's wrapped up in this bit. Wow, it feels like glass. So literally a drinking boot. So yeah, this is pretty hilarious. Think you can shotgun something with this or no?
Probably not me, but you know, maybe you could.
Maybe I could. This is a lot of fucking beer to put in here. So.
It's a lot, yeah.
Like, this is crazy. So yeah, it's probably like...
lethal amount.
Lethal, yes. So he's got the Steve Will Do It, the same design that's on the box, Wheel of Fortune. Looks like they just like put like looks like a really nice sticker. That's all it looks like. Doesn't look like it's pressed. There's probably maybe heat press and stuff. But yeah, it's really like a boot. Like that, like is this close to the Italian boot? No.
No.
No? Not Italian?
No, but it looks pretty sick.
It looks pretty jokes, yeah, I like this one. It's definitely good quality for sure. It feels like glass. I'm gonna test it out a little bit later myself. You know, try and guzzle a fucking beer with that, but I don't know, it'd be pretty jokes. I like this. Let us know down below if you have like multiple boots of these. So yeah, this will be the only one I'll be getting, but yeah, that'd be just pretty cool to just have around and shit. So yeah, that's all the pickups I got from the Fullsend October Drop from this year. Like I said, let us know if you got anything from the drop as well. Andre, did you get anything from the drop?
Nah, dude.
Anything, eh?
Nothing for me.
Nothing? Fuck, that's a bummer. But you know, do you have any items that like sold out too quick? Just let us all know. What would you rate my pickups actually out of 10? I always ask Angela this.
Nah, I'll give that one 9 out of 10 for sure. The football is like 8 out of 10, and then that boot adds another like
just
1
the boot's just like high end.
The boot's just a cherry on top. The football is all I want.
Okay, fair. That's it. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. You made it to the end of this fun unboxing review. If you'd consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, and turn that post notification bell right down there. It just helps us a ton, keeps us on speed dial. We post content like this all the time. The next Fullsend drop, you'll definitely see something there, hopefully. So anyway, that is a wrap today for our unboxing and review of the Fullsend October Drop. Later.